Hello, Shwmae. Our children suffer from some of the worst air quality in the UK and have far fewer green spaces to play in than we ever did. Our elderly are choosing between eating or heating their cold homes, and many of our communities are experiencing terrible floods, which are now hitting us harder than ever, and more often at that. All the while, politicians are playing games and big corporations are raking it in by making the lives of our most vulnerable absolutely miserable. Global issues like climate change, energy supplies, and rising sea levels are having a terrible effect on Wales, and we have had enough. On December 9th, as world leaders gather at our most pressing climate conference to date, we're hitting the streets to let them know that we demand a fairer, cleaner, greener Wales for our future generations. Stand up and join us at the Global Day of Action on Saturday, the 9th of December. We at Climate Cymru will be in Cardiff, yet there are actions taking place across the entire country. We have the solutions. Let's raise our Welsh voices to protect those nearest and dearest to us. Let's build them a Wales with abundant nature, clean, cheap energy, and clear Welsh air to fill their lungs.